Hello, class, and welcome to another day. Oh, hello. Hello, class. Welcome to another day. We are going to learn about engineering concept designs. And just as a review, that each unit has 10 lessons, one per day. And there are 12 lessons, or 12 units. Each unit is about 2 weeks. Just to let you know. And I want you to have fun. That's important. Good review to know that you can have fun. So let's start. So what are gears? Gears are things that help things to move. For example, let's put up our hands. See my hands? So gears help things to rotate. Just like my hands. You try. No? That's okay. Why do we have gears? Gears are to help things to go faster or slower. For example, what do you see here? You have gear A, you've got gear B, you've got gear C. What do you see? They're different colors, yeah. One's bigger than the other? Yes, yes. Oh, one's going in a different direction than the other? Ooh, good eye. Okay. Well, yes. One is going in a different direction than the other. Just like our hands. If you look at my hands, one is going in a different direction. What else do you see? Nothing? Alright, here, let me help you. Look at these inner circles. I want you to know that one is going faster than the other. That this circle is going faster than this circle. So the larger the circle is, or the larger the gear is, the slower that circle is going to be. The smaller the gear is, the faster that circle is going to be. Can you tell? Probably really hard to tell. So you'll have to take my word. But how can we tell how fast they are going? I will help you out with that. For example, here are two groups. We have group A and we have group B. How many apples do you think are in group A? 10? 8? 100? No, not 100. How many do you think are in group B? Oh, everyone says 3. Good. Yes, there are 10 apples in group A. There are 3 apples in group B. Let's put that in comparison with gears. How many fingers do you think gear A has? Or teeth? 7? 10? 100, I guess. No. How many gears do you think B has? Oh, not 100. 20? Okay. 21. Oh, so it's 7 and 21. Very good. If we want to make things smaller, there is 1 tooth for every 3 teeth. So there are 12 teeth, there are 24 teeth, and there are 36 teeth. For group, this is gear B, this is gear A. For gear B, it has 24 teeth. For gear A, it has 12 teeth. If we want it to put in comparison, there is 1 tooth for every 2 teeth. So if we compare it, gear A is going faster than gear B, but gear A is going 2 times faster. That little small circle inside is going 2 times faster than gear B's circle. So if we look at this, going back to this, there's 1 tooth to every 3 teeth. If it is going 30 revolutions per second, that's how many times it goes in a circle every minute, so revolutions per minute. How many times does this go in a circle every minute? It's going 10. So 1 tooth to every 3. This is going 10, 30. See how they're kind of switched? So let's say we've got 20 teeth to 30. How many do you think this one is going? This little hexagon. We've got A, 20, B, 30, C, 15. How many do you think? 100, no, not 100. A, B, okay. It is B. Good job, it said 20. Good job, everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye, class. Goodbye.